Managing meals is an important part of maintaining your health and diet. The modern day requires a modern approach to meals. Introducing the Prep Naturals 2-compartment food containers. These elegant and easy-to-use glass meal prep containers encourage you to eat healthy and maintain your diet. The snap-on lid keeps the glass containers completely odor and spill-proof, perfect for on-the-go eating or any office or school breaks. 2-compartment containers give you the power to organize your meals wherever and whenever. Prep Naturals containers are freezable and microwavable. Just remove the snap-on lid to microwave or heat in any oven, saving you time and money as you take control of your meals and diet. The Prep Naturals containers are FDA and LFGB approved for your health and safety. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass, with 2 compartments to help maintain the exact meals you want. Meal prep is the future. Master your meals with the Prep Naturals 2-compartment containers. Keep your diet and your healthy lifestyle.
Hi there! The Easy Prep Bento Box Set is the perfect on-the-go storage solution for your healthy, portion-controlled meals. This 20-pack comes with everything you need to store several meals at once. Each container has 3 compartments each, holding up to 32 ounces. First, you create and prep the perfect meal, then simply load up each compartment with your delicious, healthy foods. And see, isn't this a great way to keep your portion sizes under control? It keeps you from overeating. Then just stack them up and store them in the fridge or the freezer. You can safely heat them up in the microwave. They're built to withstand several washings in the dishwasher. And check out this durability. They're designed to hold up to multiple uses. You'll be happy to know Easy Prepa food containers are safe to use, made with the highest quality, eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic material. Enjoy the safe, tough, reusable portion-controlled, on-the-go meal prep storage solution from Easy Prep Bento Boxes today.